If you've ever wondered how to see your scheduled posts on X.com or Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can find every post you've already scheduled and make sure everything is ready to go live at the right time. This is super useful if you want to review upcoming content, double check captions, or edit a scheduled post before it publishes. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X.com or Twitter and make sure you're logged into the account where your posts are scheduled. Once you're on the platform, look for the post button and click it. This is the same button you would normally use to create a new post, but in this case, it also gives you access to your saved content. After that, tap Drafts. This is where X stores content that hasn't been published yet, including posts you may have saved to finish later. When the Drafts area opens, look for the Scheduled section. Click on Scheduled, and from there you'll be able to view all of your scheduled posts in one place. You can review each post, check the timing, and make sure the content is exactly how you want it before it goes out. If needed, you can go back and edit the post or make any final changes before the scheduled time. So to recap, just click Post, tap Drafts, and then open the Scheduled section to see all your upcoming posts. It's a simple process, but once you know where to look, it saves a lot of time and makes managing your content much easier. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.